Hey guys, Jeff the maintenance man. What's going on? This is automated logic. Controls that RTU unit up there. And yesterday I was messing around with it. And I was doing whatever. I had a output temperature up here of, I don't know if y'all can see that, how well. Pause the video or whatnot. And here's our set points and stuff. So I had a 80 something degree. Compressors weren't running. Whatever. Blah blah blah. Coming today, the thing's running. Now, it's kind of weird, but the occupied cooling set point right now is 79 degrees. And it says the cooling set point is 71 degrees. What in the hell? Somebody's been like screwing this thing. Come on. This thing sucks. This is the only way we can really set the cooling set point. Alright, that's not going to do anything. Let's see what we got in schedules. Yeah, just runs 24/7, occupied, unoccupied. There's nothing grayed out, so we're good there. Let's see what we got. We can add a schedule. See what alarms we have. It's always got zone temperatures too warm. Blah blah blah. Blah 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 blah. Lost hallway. It's not even helping at all. One of the cool things is you got your whole logic thing here. So you have like how it goes through, and this is your set point and blah blah blah, and then it gives you basically a schematic of the whole system here. But it kind of sucks and scrolling and stuff, so it's not really even useful. Reports. What I like is I just stick with the graphics, man. I mean, you got the so for 1 minute this unit is unoccupied, and then at 12 o'clock it's occupied again. That's how we have it set up, just to run whatever you set the thermostat to. Right now you can see 55 degrees air flow coming out of the unit. Coil temperature is 47. Blah 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 blah. See, reheat valve position 50%. Now, yesterday I had a problem with this thing going like this. Maybe it freed itself up over the night, but it's working now. It is working. That's the AAON unit. Gotta have a brain unit right there. Freaking stupid. Properties. There's so many things you can do. Look at this: fan control, zone, set points, but it's like way too much crap to be messing around. with any of this system, you know, you have to press save, which is like you could accidentally just screw something up with this thing, but yeah. So it is all computer controlled. So Jeff the maintenance man, y'all have a great day.